These were men that were trained by the Nigerian government, money spent on them to defend the territorial integrity of this country, to keep us safe as a nation. Now they were killed for no reason, not at the time of conflict.
What happened in Delta was not an accident. It was a designed and well-orchestrated effort to kill our military men. And it was done in a very barbaric way.
Urge the federal government to ensure that those responsible for this heinous crime are identified, apprehended, and brought to face the full consequences of their actions through a fair and transparent legal process.
To carry out a thorough investigation to know whether these were mercenaries from outside Niger Delta who came in to commit this crime, because I don't think these people are Niger Deltans. We are not at war, even in a period of war, to lose such number of personnel. No community will go to the extent of doing this kind of thing. I don't think they are from Niger Delta. So I think the first point should be that we should first establish the culprits who committed this crime. We must take it seriously. Supposing they are not from Niger Delta, supposing they are not even Nigerians, if the military should react, nobody can say you cannot react, because every single culprit involved must be brought out to face the full wrath of the law.
If the matter is not carefully handled, it might also lead to a further breakdown of law and order, occasioned by a major humanitarian crisis within the riverine communities of Delta State, and therefore plead with Mr. President, the Defense Headquarters, and the Chief of Defense Staff to please temper justice with mercy and not punish an entire community of Akwama for the sins of a few unscrupulous elements.